Check this out, everybody. We're building a bridge here. Demoing the old bridge. I'm building a pad for my crane. There's my crane across the river. It's a 999, 250 ton capacity Manitowoc. I'm gonna drive them piling hold on. There's the bridge piers we're putting in. Putting in small caissons. That's the encasement around them to prevent scour. There's the new bridge we put in. It's open for traffic, and we're tearing this old bridge down. We gotta go in there and demo all the concrete piers out, and clean all this rebar out, and there's my barge I'll be putting my crane on. This is what I do for a living. There's some more demo. There's the abutment. We got bridge girders coming in. We'll be setting them the next few days on the west end. But anyway, this is what I do. We demo bridges and build new ones in their place. I need a bigger dozer. Actually, I need a track hoe. Track goes across the water there. We'll get one eventually. But when I'm done, there'll be a crane mat set up there. You can see my previous videos, what hammer I use, and I gotta get a pad straight out that right in front of me. I just use the existing demo and whatever we can find. When we get done, all this stuff will be hauled out. Dirt crew come in here and finish up. We'll have a brand new bridge here. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.